bring the real and the natural. Today there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Klaiyi Hair Company. They sent me over one of their newest wigs, so we are going to get into the details of that. But before we get into the video, I just want to say I hope everybody is having an amazing holiday. With the new year rolling around, you know, sometimes we can be a little bit hard on ourselves, but have grace with yourself. Whatever you did not get to achieve this year, make sure you take those goals into next year and kill them. Yes. If you are somebody who is spending the holidays alone, please do not feel bad. Y'all, I spent Thanksgiving alone this year and I felt amazing. I had an amazing Thanksgiving, just me and Milo. Guys, let's just be thankful. Let's be grateful that we are here and that we have another day, another chance to get it right, another year to get it right. Happy holidays, everybody. Now let's get back into the video. Okay guys, so as I previously stated, this wig is from Klaiyi Hair Company. They sent me over their curly human hair wig with finger coiled ends, and this is what it looks like right out of the box. As you guys can see, the ends are super coily and curly. This is what the inside construction of the lace looks like. This is a 13x4 frontal wig, and it does come pre-everything. So the knots are already bleached, they're already plucked, the lace is already cut, and it does come with these tapes on both sides of the frontal in case you want to wear this wig completely glueless. It also has a drawstring elastic band in the back, just so that you can have that nice tight snug fit on your head. And as you guys can see, the cap is a little bit stretchy. They used a stretchy dome cap for this wig, and I absolutely love the stretchy caps. So now let's go ahead and get into the hair. Y'all, this is what the hair looks like right out of the box. It looks super, super pretty. And I will say the hair is so full. First thing first, we are going to go ahead and get this lace together, y'all. So I am pinning my hair back, and I'm just going to go ahead and take those tapes off the wig. If you guys are interested in seeing me install my wig with the tapes, I do have plenty of videos on my channel doing that. But I am just going in with my adhesive spray, and I am spraying down that lace to tack it down. Once that lace is all tacked down on both sides, this is pretty much what the lace looks like. I don't know, y'all. I feel like the lace could have been plucked a little bit more, so I'm going in with my tweezers and I'm just plucking that hairline to my desired look. I just wanted to look a little bit more natural, and as you guys can see, I finished one side. It looks so much more natural, so let's go ahead and get that other side together. And once I was done plucking both sides of the hair, this is pretty much what the hairline is giving. It looks pretty good so far, but I am going ahead and tinting that lace with a little bit of my foundation powder just to make it look a little bit more seamless. So now I'm going in with my wax stick, and I am applying that all around the hairline first so we can get that nice and smooth, and then I'm going to lay it on the top of the hair to get the top of that hair nice and flat. Y'all, once that hairline was nice and slick and that top of the hair was nice and flat, I started to really feel this wig, y'all. It is so pretty. I love how big the curls are and how bouncy they are. So just to finish up that lace, I'm going in with my other lace bonding spray, and I'm just spraying that on top of the lace before I tie down my edge band. So once I tie down that edge band, it's going to lay and melt that lace in exactly how we want it to be. Now let's get into these curls, y'all. I am going in with my Lotta Body foaming mousse, and I am going to put that all over these big curls. I want to go ahead and define these curls and see just how pretty this hair is when it's wet. Klaiyi Hair Company told me that these curls are the best around, so let's go ahead and see if they are really the best like they said they are. I'm going piece by piece on the hair and just finger coiling the ends of that hair and defining those curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it on this entire side so you guys can see the difference of what the hair looks like when it is completely defined and those curls are nice and coily, and then you'll see on the other side the natural state of the hair. I finished up coiling this entire side, and this is what it's giving. Y'all, these curls look so bomb. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera just to save us a little bit of time. But this is what the curls look like once I was done doing both sides, y'all. So pretty. It literally looks like somebody's natural hair, not my natural hair, but it definitely looks like somebody's natural hair. It is really pretty. So as you guys can see here, I'm just going in with my pick and I am picking the curls out just a little bit to give it a little bit of volume so you guys can see. If you wanted to keep it in that curly coily state, this is pretty much what the curls would look like. Just making those curls a little bit bigger. So now that we've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my edge band off and show you guys what this lace is giving. Y'all, I will say the lace on this wig is super thin, so that is a good thing. The only thing I noticed is that it's so thin I could actually see the cap underneath. That's why I don't be wearing caps all the time, y'all, because when the lace is really bomb, you can see the cap through it. That means it's a good lace. So I'm going in with my Bio Silk oil, and I'm just going ahead and separating those curls. We want to see just how big this hair can get while the curls are still defined. So if you want that really big look, you can just go ahead and pull through the hair, you know, normal. But I want the curls to still look nice and juicy, but just a little bit bigger. And this is pretty much what it is giving once I put the oil on the hair. And I think it looks so pretty, like literally so pretty. This wig is so versatile. You could literally switch it to a side part. You could do like the no part look like this. I think you guys have noticed from my channel by now, I love me a good side part and I love a good no part look. So if you want to go for that super cute, sexy look, do the no part look. It's always a go, y'all. And next, I'm just going to show you guys how this wig will look up in a half up, half down style. So if you wanted to also do a half up, half down, this is my favorite look of the video, y'all. I absolutely love the way this turned out. Alright guys, so this is the look that we are sticking with. I absolutely love how it looks up in a ponytail, but you guys seen how the curls look fresh out of the box. You guys also seen how these curls look once the curls are nice and juicy and defined and the ends are nice and coily. You guys also seen when I picked it out a little bit and I showed you guys that you can wear it on the side, you can wear it in the middle, you can wear it in an updo, like I'm wearing right now. So let me know down below which style resonates with you the most, which style do you like the best, and if you would like to purchase this wig, go ahead and check out my description box. All the details will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.